Hello everyone, let's learn how to hide message notifications on Instagram. Have you ever been in a situation where your Instagram message notifications popped up at the wrong time? Well, don't worry anymore, now you will learn how to hide notifications. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to click on first option, Settings and Privacy. This will open the side menu, then you need to open Notifications field. Next, go to click on Messages option. The best and easiest way to hide messages is to turn off all of this option. But when you turn off this option, Instagram they won't send you notifications at all. You can see only when you open the app. So to get around that problem, I will show you second method. For second method, you need to open a settings app. And next scroll down to find notifications, and when you find, open it. When you do that, go on app notifications. And next you need to do is to find an Instagram app. You can find by going on search bar and type Instagram, or you can find by scrolling down and go on Instagram, like me. And finish step is to disable notifications on Instagram, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.